Hello, what's up guys? After a long time I was busy so I could not upload the videos. So today I am here with one new video. Hope you guys will get some knowledge from my video. So today basically we'll talk about the things that usually we need to know as a designer or as a beginner. So today I will be talking about the importance IS code for the designer. So as you can see, there are I know there are many IS code, but the most things and basic thing you need to know is the IS 456 and IS 875, and as you can see down. So in IS 456 2000, it basically talks about a plain and simple concrete that you know very well, guys. So why we should know this one, IS 456? So as you can see, in IS 456 we know that in every during the design of our structure and during analysis, that basic value should be remembered. So usually we need to take into consideration some of the values. So in IS 456 you'll get many values like mix ratio and clear cover. Then there are a lot of things that we need to consider. Next I will be talking about this one, IS 875. So you should remember this one, IS 875, because in this IS code you will get various loading. So because in IS 875 part 1 it talks about the dead load, then 2 imposed load, 3 wind load, then 4 snow load, and 5 special load combination. So why you should know this one? Because in this IS 875 part 1 for dead load, it talks about the density of various materials. So like while designing analysis of a structure, there might be like bricks, might be there, might be timber also, there might be AAC block also. So you should know that one, the density of that one, and aggregate also you should be knowing, then granite stone you should be knowing. So for that one, this IS 875 is very important. Then next you can see 1893, it talks about the seismic designing area. So in this, like during time of analysis and designing in software, you need to put the different values like damping ratio, importance factor, zone factor. You should be knowing in your the particular structure which you are designing for, which locates in which area or region. You should be knowing that one. So for that one you need to know this IS 893, the values of importance factor, damping ratio you will get from here. So that's why you should know IS 893. Next and also for your kind of information, there is like revised one also, 2016, 1893 2016. You can refer that one also. Then for basic you must be thorough with this one, part 1. Then next you can refer IS 19. Sorry, I've made the mistake. So here you can see for doctoral detailing for reinforced concrete structure. This is also one important while drafting. After your completion of designing analysis of your structure in your STAADPRO or ETABS, after the final drafting you need to know the like basic things that that you should consider in your while drafting time, because your structure will be uh, uh, designed as per the seismic, so you should know the detailed detailing of the your structure. So for that purpose you need to know on this one. So see the for the anchorage where it comes from. So from IS 13920 you will get those things, and development length from where it came, and next you will come to know the many things from here while drafting. So see here the near the support, it should not be like more than 2, and I mean it should be, the spacing should be less in this one near the support in the span of 2D. So it all comes from here. There is no hard and fast rule or thumb rule, that one. It all comes from this I-score spacing and all. See now that one, confining zone and all, it all comes from here. So you need to know this one, IS 13920 1993. So lastly we have this IS 1161, because this code talks about the steel tube. So usually after the everything is done, then you need to design the roof truss also. So it's needed for that purpose, or else you usually use this steel tubes for the futsal fencing or for other purpose. So at that time you also need to know the density and the types of the tubes, and also for that purpose you also need this one. So you can see nominal bore, inside dia, it talks about inside dia. Outer diameter means outside the outer to outer dia. So in this you can see there is glass thickness. So if you go for outer 21.3 mm, then you will have 3 categories: light, medium, heavy. So according to that thickness is mentioned here, then weight is given according to its thickness. So per meter you will see, for example, for 21.3 light, if you are going for 2 mm, then 0.947 kg per meter kg. So accordingly you can get the weight of the tube. So guys, you make sure before you proceed with the software analysis and designing, or any other engineering software for analysis, you need to make basic things clear in IS 456 2000, then for loading IS 875, then for criteria for earthquake resistant design of IS 1893, then next ductile detailing 13920, and then this one IS 1161. So if you have this basic concept on this one, you will easily clear your doubt when you proceed with the designing and analysis of the structure using the software. So thank you, hope you guys might have learned few tips from here, all the things from here. So see you next time. Bye bye guys.